Imagine a land where ancient history intertwines with stunning landscapes. Welcome, viewers, to the heart of Central Asia, Uzbekistan, a country where the old and the new coexist in harmony, and the echoes of the past resonate in every corner. For centuries, Uzbekistan has been at the crossroads of civilizations, a melting pot of cultures, a nexus of the historic Silk Road. This strategic position has shaped its breathtaking scenery and distinctive architecture. From the turquoise domes of Samarkand to the endless Kyzylkum desert, each landscape tells a unique story of time and transformation. Here, every stone whispers tales of ancient warriors, legendary poets, and timeless love. And it's not just about the past. Today's Uzbekistan is a vibrant blend of tradition and modernity, where centuries-old monuments stand proudly amid bustling, progressive cities. So, buckle up and embark on a journey to discover the best sceneries in Uzbekistan. Our first stop is the breathtaking city of Samarkand. A city that's been standing for over 2.5 millennia, Samarkand is one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in Central Asia. It's a city that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebb and flow of cultures, and the march of time itself. The heart of Samarkand is undeniably the Registan Square. This grand public square, the centerpiece of the city, is surrounded by 3 madrasas or Islamic schools, each a masterpiece of Islamic architecture. The intricate tilework, the towering minarets, and the imposing domes of these structures are a testament to the craftsmanship of the artisans of old. A short distance away from the square is the Shah-e-Zinda, a complex of mausoleums known as the Avenue of Mausoleums. This necropolis is the final resting place of royalty and nobles, each tomb a piece of history preserved in stone. The intricate mosaics and the vibrant blues and greens of the tombs are a treat to the senses, a stunning display of the artistic traditions of the region. But Samarkand is more than just its historical landmarks. It's a city that's alive with color and vibrancy. The bazaars are a riot of color, filled with the fragrance of spices, the sound of haggling, and the sight of beautifully crafted ceramics and textiles. And then there's the city's food. Samarkand's culinary scene is a blend of the many cultures that have passed through its gates. From the hearty plov, a rice dish cooked with meat and vegetables, to the sweet and flaky pastries, the food of Samarkand is a gastronomic journey through the Silk Road. Samarkand, a city that echoes the tales of time, is a spectacle not to be missed. It's a city where the past and the present coexist, where every corner has a story to tell, and where the spirit of the Silk Road is still very much alive. So, if you're a history buff, a foodie, or simply a traveler in search of unique experiences, Samarkand is a city that should be on your travel bucket list. Next, we travel to the mystical city of Bukhara. This enchanting city, with a history stretching back over 2,000 years, is a living testament to the grandeur of the Silk Road era. Bukhara has been a hub of trade, culture, and scholarship, its stories woven into the very fabric of its ancient buildings and winding streets. As we delve into the heart of the city, we encounter the Ismail Samani Mausoleum, a breathtaking piece of architecture that has withstood the ravages of time. This 10th century mausoleum is considered one of the most iconic symbols of Bukhara. Its intricate brickwork, designed to catch the light at different times of day, gives the building an almost ethereal quality, making it a sight to behold. Not far from here, the Kalyan minaret looms over the city, a beacon that has guided travelers and traders for centuries. Standing at a towering 46 meters, this minaret is more than just a landmark. It's a symbol of the city's resilience, having survived numerous invasions and even an earthquake. The Kalyan minaret is not just a tower, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of Bukhara. But Bukhara is not just known for its rich history and stunning architecture. It's also known for its striking blue hues. From the sky blue tiles of the Povi Kalyan Mosque to the azure domes of the Miri Arab Madrasa, Bukhara is awash in various shades of blue. This celestial blue, often contrasted against the warm brown of the city's ancient brickwork, gives Bukhara its characteristic glow. Walking through the city's narrow alleyways, under the shadow of towering minarets and domes, one can't help but feel a sense of awe. The city's past echoes in the cobblestone streets, in the weathered walls of its buildings, in the faces of its people. Bukhara is not just a city, it's a living, breathing history book, inviting us to step into its pages and lose ourselves in its tales. Bukhara, the city that glows in a celestial blue, is a sight to behold. This city, steeped in history and bathed in shades of blue, captures the imagination and touches the soul. It's a journey into the past, a journey that leaves you changed forever. Now let us venture into the wild. to the Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve. Nestled between two of Central Asia's most dramatic landscapes, the Nuratau Mountains and the Kyzylkum Desert, lies a place of extraordinary beauty and biodiversity. This is the Golden Valley of the Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve, a place where the rugged wilderness of the mountains meets the seemingly endless golden sands of the desert. Imagine a land where snow-capped peaks tower over lush green valleys, where winding rivers carve their way through rocky terrains, spilling into serene lakes that mirror the vast skies above. This is the Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve, a place where each landscape tells a different story. The reserve is not just a feast for the eyes, but also a haven for an array of unique wildlife. Among the myriad species that call this place home, one particular resident stands out: the rare Severtsov sheep. Named after the Russian naturalist Nikolai Severtsov, these majestic creatures are a sight to behold. With their long, spiraling horns and muscular bodies, they effortlessly navigate the rocky mountain slopes. But the Biosphere Reserve is more than just its landscapes and wildlife. It's a place of conservation and research where scientists and environmentalists work tirelessly to protect and understand this unique ecosystem. It's a place where the local communities live in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the seasons and the movements of the wildlife. As we traverse the Golden Valley, we encounter echoes of ancient civilizations. The remnants of stone fortresses and petroglyphs etched onto the rocks serve as a reminder of the rich history of this place. Here the past and the present coexist, each leaving its indelible mark on the landscape. The Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve is more than just a destination, it's an experience. It's a journey into the heart of nature, into a world that's as diverse as it is beautiful. It's a place that captivates and inspires, a place that leaves you with a renewed sense of wonder and respect for the natural world. The Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve is a testament to Uzbekistan's natural beauty. Our journey ends at the Aral Sea, a tale of transformation. Once the fourth largest lake in the world, the Aral Sea has a history that is as turbulent as it is poignant. It is a story of ecological disaster, human resilience, and nature's enduring capacity for rebirth. In the mid-20th century, the Aral Sea was a thriving body of water, home to an abundance of wildlife and a vibrant fishing industry. But in the decades that followed, ambitious irrigation projects diverted the rivers that fed the sea. Gradually, the water levels began to drop, and by the turn of the 21st century, the Aral Sea had shrunk to a fraction of its original size. The receding waters left behind a barren landscape, a ghost of its former self. The once bustling fishing villages found themselves stranded in a desert, their boats lying abandoned in what became known as the ship graveyard. It was a stark reminder of the impact human actions can have on our environment. But this is not where the story ends. In recent years, efforts have been made to restore the Aral Sea. A dam was built to prevent further loss of water, and there have been attempts to reintroduce native species of fish. Slowly but surely, the Aral Sea is showing signs of recovery. Today, the ship graveyard is not just a reminder of what was lost, but also a symbol of resilience. Amid the rusty hulls of abandoned ships, life is returning. Birds have begun to nest in the remains of the boats, and plants are reclaiming the desert sands. The Aral Sea is transforming once again, this time into a haven for wildlife. The Aral Sea, a symbol of resilience and rebirth, concludes our journey across Uzbekistan. This tale of transformation serves as a poignant reminder of the power of nature, the impact of human actions, and the possibility of redemption. It is a story that will continue to unfold as the Aral Sea charts its course towards recovery. From ancient cities to vibrant landscapes, Uzbekistan is a treasure trove of stunning sceneries. We've journeyed through the majesty of Samarkand, wandered the blue streets of Bukhara, and soaked in the beauty of the Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve. Each place a testament to the rich history and diverse culture that makes Uzbekistan a unique destination. Imagine standing amidst the ancient ruins of Samarkand, feeling the cool breeze of Bukhara, or witnessing the golden hues of the Nuratau-Kyzylkum Biosphere Reserve. Yes, pictures and videos can capture the beauty, but the real magic is in being there, feeling the air, and soaking in the ambiance. So why not pack your bags and explore these sites yourself? Discover the hidden gems, delve into the history, and create your own unforgettable moments in this vibrant landscape. And that wraps up our journey through Uzbekistan. Share in the comments below which part of the world you'd like us to explore next. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, safe travels.